Hello everyone. This is the second part for the June 25th paper 2 of Maths B. In this video we will cover from question 5 to 8. Let's get started. Here in question 5 we are given a ratio. The first one has asked us to calculate the number of blankets. Total is given 3850. The total ratio comes up to be 11. A single ratio comes up to be 350, which we will multiply with the ratio of blankets, which is 2. We are given the selling cost of cushions and asked to calculate their costing. The selling price contains a 16% profit which will be included in the cost price as a whole. And we get 13.75 pounds as our answer. Here we are given one crap load of details. Small towels are 1500 and big are 600 pieces. Small are bought at 7 and big are bought at 11 pounds each. Small are sold at 15 and big are sold at 18. They sell 3/5 of the small one and 95% of the big one. $1,500 small ones at 7 pounds each comes up to $10,500. $600 of the big ones at 11 pounds each come up to a 6,600 pounds. The total costing sums up to a whopping 17,100 pounds. For the revenue generated by all the sales in January, they sell 3/5 of the 1,500 small towels and 95% of the large towels. This comes up to 900 small towels and 570 of the large towels sold. The small ones are sold at 15 pounds each, 900 of them, bringing 13,500 pounds of revenue. The big ones, 570 of towels at 18 pounds each. They bring just over 10,000 pounds. They bring in just about 24,000 pounds. The total profit, after subtracting the revenue by the costing of the towels, come up to be 6,660 pounds. The profit percentage comes around 39%. The last one is just a simple currency conversion. We are given this value in dollars that we need to convert into pounds. We are also provided the exchange rate for ease. As our rate forces depreciating our value, we will need to divide it with the exchange rate. And our value in pounds comes to 7,691 pounds. The next question we have is a sets diagram, labeled with each club activities as A, B, and C. We are told that C is twice of B, and so we need to find the value of X using the diagram. We will equal the red part with the blue doubled. After collecting the values, we equal them. And our x comes as a value of 4 members. For the second one, we just need to sum up all the numbers outside of C. These are all the numbers shaded in green that need to be added. We get our second answer as 50 members not in chess. For the third one, we need to find the members who are in all the clubs. The extra talented ones indeed. Upon paying some attention, we can clearly see that 21 is our answer. For the fourth one in this, we are asked to find the members of B who are not in C. Apart from the red, the blue is the only one in B, which is 10. For the last one, we are told that Drama Club had 80 members that increased gradually per year. So we need to calculate how many are there in 2024 after all that increase. In 2023, they increased by 12.5% over the already 80. In 2024, they had 30% increase over the total members after the increase in 2023. A 12.5% increase on the initially 80 members. The increase from 80 in 2023 is to 90 members. In 2024, another 30% increase over the new total of 90. And we get our answer as 117 members in 2024. For question 7, we have a probability branch. We need to fill the blanks with the correct ratio, using the 10 red and 5 yellow counters. Since red are 10, so only 5 yellow left for the first one. For the red plus red, we have already taken 1, so it will minus 1 from both the values. For the red plus yellow, we have taken 1 red, so it will minus 1 from bottom, but upper one stays same. For the yellow plus red, we have taken 1 yellow, so it will minus 1 from bottom, but upper one won't change. For the last yellow plus yellow, it will be like the first and minus at both upper and lower from the previous ratio. For B, we are asked to find probability of same colors. So, we will multiply the same color paths like the blue shade for reds and green shade for the yellows and then sum them up. First, we will multiply both the reds ratios. Now we will do the same and multiply the yellows. For the final answer, we will just add these two up. For C, there is another bag with 4 red and 3 yellow counters, 7 in total. 2 same colored ones are taken from A to B, and then 1 is picked randomly from B. So, we are asked to find the probability that 2 shifted and new random are all red. Initially, bag B has 4 red and 3 yellow. Now either 2 red or 2 yellow are transferred from A to B. If 2 red are given, then bag B has 6 reds and still 3 yellows. So, now we will multiply the previously calculated 2 red transfer with the new one. On the right, we will do the same if we had transferred 2 yellows. Now, we will multiply again with the previously calculated ratios, but for yellow this time. Now finally, we can add these two up to get our answer. For the last one today we have a 3D box labeled with its measurements. We are told A is the volume of this cuboid, so we will multiply it to get the expression for A. Now since the first one is asking to show the surface area S, we will calculate that too. And we will multiply the area with 2 as a cuboid includes the same sides twice. As the show expression doesn't include AY, we will alter the volumes expression to remove Y from our equation of S. Now we will input the Y into S's expression and simplify. We are told that minimum value of S is 400. And we should know that at minimum of an expression, their derivation is always equals to 0. So now we will differentiate the equation of S. After getting this differentiated equation, we will set it to 0 to get the value of x at minimum. Since we have calculated the expression of x at minimum of S, we can put it together to find the value of A. Now we will simplify the equation a bit before inputting the expression of x to simplify again. By this line we have got rid of any excess, so we can subject the A to get its value as our final answer. After a gruesome simplification, we get our answer of A as 513. Make sure to answer in 3 significant digits. And this is it. Sorry to wait so long for this video. I will follow up with the next one as soon as possible. Go and follow my Facebook and Instagram pages. And thanks for watching.